This is Duck Show Studios, and today we're talking about what is a route number. Now, if you hear VIA 87, you may think that the engine number is 87. When in reality, VIA 87 can be pulled by 6436, 6401, 6409, 6412, 6413, 6414, or it could be pulled by a P42 like 914, Smoky 914, 913, 912, 915, 916, 908. You know. So, why did I call it 87? Well, that's the route number. And then other route numbers include 84, 85, 88 for VIAs, and then for freight, CN 568, CN 540. So the route number is different from the engine number. Thanks for watching.